Start to detach the box by removing one of the interior flaps. Flip the box over and undo any tape sides of the box. Use scissors to cut and remove one of the shorter sides of the flaps for the box. Then cut the box open and remove one of the sides. Cut the cardboard sides so that you are able to fold and connect them back together. Add hot glue to one of the shorter sides and adhere the other part of the cut box. Keep adding hot glue to connect the other sides together. Place tape on the cut openings where glue was not added. Paint all of the sides using a couple of coats of white chalk paint. Spread on spackling for some design texture and to conceal any evidence that it's a cardboard box. Make sure to cover and coat the corners. Coat the box with the spackle on each side. Fill the vase with recycled bags for filler and add faux floral stems inside. And that's it. You now have a tall textured vase to enhance your home decor. I hope this encourages you to transform a cardboard box you have lying around into a chic vase for your space.
Take 6 cardboard tubes from Amazon and hot glue them together in a circle formation. Next, take drywall spackle and a putty knife to apply it all over the cardboard tube's exterior. Take a 10-inch pizza pan and spackle over the pizza pan top and bottom. Take a piece of flat cardboard and use the cardboard tubes as a guide to trace around the shape. Cut out the shape and hot glue it to the top side of the cardboard tubes. Take a hot glue gun and use it to attach the pizza pan and the top of the cardboard tubes. There you have it, a cheap way to create your own easy, modern DIY furniture for your home for less than $20. I hope this inspired you to try this DIY cardboard tube side table project.